Hello, students of class ninth. We are learning from home and you all are doing very well, right? We are not afraid of any kind of disturbance, students. You have to learn by heart and you have to study sincerely. And as you are studying in schools, right? Fine. So, this is your duty that we are teaching and you have to learn very well. Fine, students. We all are doing very well. And secondly, up to seven chapter packing, we have completed. And I've also given you textual questions as well as extra questions, right? So that you have to write in your fair notebook. Now, in the chapter 8, reach for the top, right? The the name of the chapter itself reveals some secrets. Reach for the top means somebody is there who has reached to the top, maybe top of the success, maybe top of the mountain, right? Maybe top of the some particular kinds of achievements, right? So here part 1, reach for the top, part 1. This is the name of part 1 is Santosh Yadav. Now, students, you might have heard about the achievements of girls, of women like Kalpana Chawla, then P.T. Usha, right? So many. And that we have seen the movie, na? So in that, the wrestler was there. You know, you might have remembered all these women, all these girls, right? Who have achieved something, who has reached to the top, right? Here is the story of Santosh Yadav, right? Now let us see what is there in this chapter. The only woman in the world who has scaled Mount Everest twice, right? To reach the Mount Everest is not the easiest thing, right? So this girl who Santosh Yadav scaled Mount Everest twice was born in a society where the birth of a son was regarded as a blessing, right? Something has changed in the recent time, in a modern time, but even then, we can believe that the birth of a male child is considered to be more important than a girl child. But some couples are there who never believe in that, right? So, a son was regarded as a blessing. If the couple gets a son, if the son's birth is there, they consider it as a blessing. And a daughter, though not considered a curse. Actually, daughter के birth को curse नहीं मानते थे. Was not generally welcome. मतलब welcome भी नहीं करते थे. They didn't believe that it was a curse, the birth of a girl child. But even then, they it was not welcomed. She was not welcomed by lovingly by her family. When her mother was expecting Santosh, a traveling holy man, giving her his blessings, assumed that she was she wanted a son. Actually, at that time when she was expecting संतोष मीन्स जब उसको चाइल्ड का बर्थ होने वाला था उस वक्त हॉली मैन ट्रैवलिंग हॉली मैन वहाँ से उनके घर पे आए थे एंड ही थॉट दैट दिस मदर हैज अज्यूम्ड दैट शी वांटेड अ सन बट to everyone's surprise, the unborn child's grandmother, who was standing close by. Now, in that time, an old lady, means child's grandmother, what she told him that they did not want a son, right? So improved thought she had, so modern thought she had. She thought that they did not want a son, they did not want a male child. they want a girl. The holy man was also surprised because in those days it was the trend that they expected only a boy as a child. Nevertheless, he gave the requested blessings, whatever they wanted. जो blessings उसको चाहिए था वो उन्होंने दिया holy man ने. And as destiny would have it, और उनको भाग्य से वो मिला. The blessings seemed to work. Santosh was born the sixth child in a family. उस family में Santosh was the sixth child with 5 sons. Already 5 sons were there, and sixth was Santosh Yadav. A sister to five brothers. She had 5 brothers, and she was only a sister. She was born in the small village. She was born in the small village Jonliawas of Rewari district in Haryana. हरियाणा का रेवरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट था, उसमें जॉन्डियावास में उसका बर्थ हुआ. The girl was given the name Santosh, which means contentment. What is the meaning of contentment? To have satisfaction. Santosh means satisfaction in English. But Santosh was not always content with her place in a traditional way of life. At that time, they had a traditional life, but Santosh was not contented with that kind of traditional way of life. She began living life on her own terms from the start. When she was a child, from that time, she wanted her own life. She was having her own thoughts. She was having her own ways of living a life. Where other girls wore traditional Indian dresses, Santosh preferred shorts, right? Santosh preferred shorts because she was a sports girl. So she preferred shorts. She was having the thinking like that. So she did not like all these traditional dresses, right? What she said, looking back, she says, now, from the very beginning, I was quite determined that if I choose a correct and a rational path, the others around me had to change, not me. Now, what she says, that according to her, this was only the way. And she had, from the beginning, she had determined that if she wanted a particular kind of selected path, rational path that she had selected, in that she would not change herself. Then who had to change? Right? She was not going to change. The people around her had to change, not me, she says. मैं अपने आप को चेंज नहीं करूंगी. मेरे आसपास में जो लोग हैं उसको मेरे जीने का तरीका एक्सेप्ट करना होगा, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली दे विल look at me, right? Santosh's parents were affluent landowners who could afford to send their children to the best schools, right? Now, Santosh के parents जो थे, they were quite affluent, means quite wealthy landowners थे, जो कि अपने बच्चों को they could afford to send their children to the best schools, even to the country's capital, New Delhi. न्यू दिल्ली भी भेज सकते थे उसको स्टडीज़ के लिए, विच वॉज क्वाइट क्लोज बाय. wherever her birthplace was there, Haryana, from there this capital was quite nearer, capital New Delhi. So they wanted to send them there. Children को भेज सकते थे in line with the prevailing custom in the family. In line with means according to. The prevailing means जो कि पहले से डिसाइडेड थे, उनके कस्टम्स जो थे, रिवाज थे इन द फैमिली. संतोष had to make do with the local village school. She had to go to the local village school, right, due to the prevailing customs. So she decided to fight the system in her own quiet way when the right moment arrived. Right? Till the right moment arrived, she had to fight in her own quiet way. शांति से उसको लड़ना था because she wanted something different. She was made for something different, right? But just now she doesn't know anything. She knows that she is some little bit different from others. And the right moment came when she turned 16, right? When she passed 16, right? When she entered into the year 17, right? At that time, something changed. At 16, most of the girls in the village used to get married. Santosh was also under pressure from her parents to do the same. There was a custom that after 16, the girl had to get married, right? But Santosh was not in that way. She did not want to choose that way. She wanted to do something different. But her parents uh, give her pressure to do that because the society had prevailed customs to do that. A marriage as early as that was the last thing on her mind. इतनी जल्दी मैरिज करना वो उसके लिए सबसे लास्ट थिंग थी जो कि इतनी इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं थी. दैट वाज नॉट दैट मच इम्पोर्टेंट इन हर लाइफ. She threatened her parents that she would never marry if she did not get a proper education. If she is not getting proper education, that she will not get married. She told her parents in strict words. She left home and got herself enrolled in a school in Delhi. Right after that, she left home and she got the admission in the school in Delhi. When her parents refused to pay for her education because she had left home, so maybe parents uh, were not willing for that due to society and all these things, right? She politely informed them of her plans to earn money by working part time to pay her school fees. She told that she will do part time work, part time job, she will earn money and she would pay her fees. She told to her parents. Her parents then agreed to pay for her education. At that time, parents were now ready that okay, we'll pay the fees. Wishing always to study a bit more, and with her father slowly getting used to her urge for more education. Right? Now, to do something different, to do something more, right? Her father also became used to that whatever she want, that was only some more education. Santosh passed the high school examination and went to Jaipur. Now she passed her school education and she had to do the further study. She went to Jaipur. She joined Maharani College and got a room in Kasturba Hostel. Right? Admission in Maharani College and the hostel was Kasturba Hostel. Santosh remembers Kasturba Hostel faced the अरावली हिल्स. संतोष को पूरा याद था कि कस्तूरबा हॉस्टल जो थी दैट वाज फेस्ड अरावली हिल्स. अरावली हिल्स के बिल्कुल सामने उसका कस्तूरबा हॉस्टल था. आई यूज्ड टू वॉच विलेजर्स फ्रॉम माय रूम. From her room, she could see the villagers going up the hills and suddenly vanishing after a while. She used to look at the villagers who were climbing to the hills, and suddenly they were disappearing. They disappeared. They were out of sight. One day I decided to check it out myself. Right? Now she decided that I have to see where they are going, why they are vanishing. I found nobody except a few mountaineers. What she saw? Only some mountaineers जो कि पर्वत को पार करते हैं. Success, they get the success by climbing the mountains. Only mountaineers were there. I asked if I could join them. Now the success started. See what she said. She asked them that I wanted to join. I want to join you. To my pleasant surprise, they answered in the affirmative. Means उन्होंने हाँ बोला. Affirmative means in positive manner they answered and motivated me to take to climbing. Or they motivated the girl that if you want to do this, you can, right? And you can join us. Now here her success is going to be started, right? We can't say struggle, but her achieving work is going to be started. Her true story starts, right? So students, up to 5 paragraphs we have completed, right? In the part 2 we are completing the rest of the part of this chapter. Fine.